on fire! AGUNIMON!
He's certainly welcome to join us as well. I just want to point this out because Political makes this point this morning as well.
Yep, you got that right. That's what we're drawing tonight. Tonight we're drawing AGUNIMON from Digimon Frontier. Yeah! Let's get sketching! Anyway, AGUNIMON is the first one to ever obtain the power of fire. His real name is Takuya. He's the leader of the group. Well, he's the red spot here. Getting started, we start with the upper half. Now we draw the fire, otherwise known as his hair.
Just one quick question, if I could, because the Democrats have been critical of you on the abortion issue. They claim that you support a national abortion ban with no exceptions, but that's not true.
Even CNN fact-checked that that's not true. So when I have CNN on my side telling the Democrats they're lying, you know you're doing something right. So we're proud to be running a strong campaign here across northern, central, western Illinois.
Alright, getting started. We start with the upper half here. Start with the chest.
President Biden has repeatedly denied that he ever talked to his son Hunter about his business dealings overseas, but a whistleblower claims that that may not be true. We'll break down the latest allegation and tell you how the Justice Department is responding.
Plus, President Biden claims the pandemic is over, but seems not all Democrats got the message. California's Governor Gavin Newsom not letting up on restrictions just yet, so if not now, when? And why the wait?
We have plenty of staff in the hospitals. We have plenty of beds. So it's completely backwards. It's like crying wolf when it's unnecessary. And, you know, again, I feel bad that there's so many restrictions when it's harmful to everyone.
Here's the belt. And here's the Spirit of Fire mark on his belt. He first took on this form in the battle against Sabarumon. He also used his Digivice, known as Detector, to repair the bridge. And even repair a few other accessories along the way. Now let's continue to work this out. Welcome to the special headquarters. There we are. There's his feet. I've always loved the Thumb Wrestling Federation's music, especially ones that involve the finals. Fly Guy will be moving on to semifinals. This one goes out to Spill Mill Productions. Here's his hand. Now let's draw the other hand here. I know you apparently saw me draw a few other spirit evolutions in the past, like Beetlemon, Loamon, and Kakamon as well. I remember the first one I created, but it's all coming to my mind. And let's not forget the biggest, most powerful fusion ever, Susanowamon. Go. There's the fire that sticks out of his back. There we are. And here's the fire that sticks out of his arm here. And there we are. That's how you draw the spirit of fire himself, AGUNIMON. Press the link below on which and what fighter you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and I will not stop until they're all completed. Man, this must have been a big boss.
Who's ready for another exciting TWF SmackDown? Oh, SmackDowns are exciting, Dick.
There we are.
We need to come up with better
Stegosaurus, see you later. Good
intros.
night.
I'm sorry.